You found this file on your phone. It's a YouTube chunk. When you save a video offline in the YouTube app, it splits it into EXO pieces. You can't play them on a PC. Only the app can read them. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain how it works. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the EXO format fails. More on this later. For compatibility, the EXO adheres strictly to the defined video file parameters. The file's header is written in the YouTube video chunk language. An EXO file is a file that represents why it won't play. This is a user-defined designation. The specific contents and purpose of an EXO file depend entirely on the context in which it is used, as it is not a standard or widely recognized file format. Due to the lack of standardization, there are no specific design rules applicable to all EXO files. The internal structure and encoding will vary depending on the software or system that created it. Without additional context, it's impossible to determine the file's contents or how to process it. For managing EXO files, the best dedicated software is YouTube from YouTube. The system requires the file to pass specific authenticity checks, not performed by Windows Explorer. Windows supports mainstream codecs, but rare or proprietary ones require add-on packs. The first action is to find a compatible app. Right-click your EXO file and click Open With. Test YouTube if available. If it is unavailable, choose another program. We need to find the specific decoder. If the EXO file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The highly specific nature of the EXO file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, recognize the file type. Understand that .exo files are encrypted. YouTube download cache files used by the YouTube mobile app and are not meant to be opened manually. Next, use original app. The file is only used by the YouTube mobile application for offline playback. It is useless outside the app. Finally, re-download. If playback fails, delete the file, clearing the app cache may be required, and re-download the video from within the YouTube app. If your system could not interpret the EXO file, we must inspect the raw bytes directly. The required solution is to try the professional decoder that gives us the best chance. The reason I use FileMagick is simple. It can read content from corrupted archives that standard programs reject outright. It's the guaranteed way to view your EXO file. Find it at filemagick.com. Thumbs up and subscribe. That's all I ask. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel.